Good morning, everyone. There's Beamer. Hello, honey. Creamsicle. Gusty. Flora. Flora. Acorn. What are you doing, Vona? Do you like your new cat tree? Huh? It's nice and tall. Hi, guys. What are you doing, Acorn? What are you doing? Vona. Hello. You looking out the window? Who's out there? Oh, they're out in the swing. What you doing? What you doing? Hi, sweetie. Oh, Beamer's gonna look out the window. Are you playing? You gonna go up there? Huh, Vona? There's Creamsicle. It's okay. Oh. Good girl. She's queen of the mountain. Oh, she's gonna take a nap. Queen of the mountain.